Hi, in this video, I would like to show you how you can download SPSS data file from the Springboard onto the desktop and open up an SPSS file to work on data-driven decision-making process. So let's go to Springboard first, and here is the home site of data-driven decision-making class. All the data file and the instructional materials are mostly organized in content, in course material. So I'm going to click on content here. And in week 3 here, I uploaded a Horizon data for you to do homework 1, 2, 3. So for homework 1 here, here is a data file, and there is also a data sheet. There's the homework data, Horizon data sheet here that explained what each variable is. So you need to open the data file first. So I click on Horizon data, and it asks you for download here. You can say download. The default is to save the file. You can say OK. And you'll be able to see the arrow here. And there is an SPSS file here. So usually I'm just going to shrink the screen a little bit. So I'm going back to the arrow here with the file that is already being downloaded in Springboard. I can just drag the file, and then it goes to my desktop. So I'm exporting an SPSS file here from Springboard content onto my desktop. So I can be out of Springboard, and I can close my Springboard here, and I can go to the software that I installed. I ask you to buy an SPSS student version. So I'm assuming at this point you have already downloaded, installed SPSS, IBM SPSS software on your computer, and mine is an older version. It's a 22. Some of you may have 23. 22 is fine actually. So I'm just going to open the software first. It takes a couple minutes or seconds to have the file. So this is the software, and these are some explanations. You just say cancel, and here is an empty SPSS software data sheet. So you go to file, since ours is a data file, so you go to file, you go to open. You have a file already on your desktop, so you say open data here. You click on data. Remember, you downloaded the file onto your desktop, so that's why in the document you won't be able to see anything. So you click on looking the desktop, and it's an SPSS file. File type is .sav, and you will see the Horizon data pop up here. So you highlight, you click on that, and it becomes yellow, and you click on open. And then you have an SPSS file in place. So what you want to do is you can start working on this spreadsheet here for any further data treatment and any further data analysis. So which will lure you to watch a video 2 of how to do the data labeling and or how to work on SPSS file from now on. So this is the first step of exporting data from Springboard onto your desktop and working inside SPSS software. And some of you may not be able to buy or may not want to buy an SPSS software. The University of Akron has a virtual lab. In that virtual lab, you also have this in the stats lab. There is also SPSS software there for you to use for free, anytime from anywhere in a virtual environment. But sometimes the traffic is a bit busy, and sometimes when all people are using that, or in the daytime, it might be or in the in the midterm or final term, many people are using that. You might have difficulty log in and log out. So I think the most effective way, efficient way to do SPSS is just to buy the version from online sources. It's an investment, but I think it's a well worth investment. It can be installed in 2 computers, and if you want to, you can pair up with a classmate here, and then you can buy one and you can split and install the version into 2 computers. So that's another way of getting the cost reduced. So this is video 1. Thank you.